sitting here with GF Mom Certified, and we got a box in the mail. Can you see this? They are from Canyon Oats, and we're so excited to open this. You know what's in here, Frankie?
Yes.
What's in here?
Colors.
Let's see. What is in this box?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal. What kind of oatmeal? Yeah. Is it your favorite? Yeah. All right. So we have maple. We've got brown sugar. They've got a brand new coconut out, which is a chocolate. We got a sweet honey cinnamon. I am excited. Can you see these? These things are awesome. If you've not seen them before.
I want to try that one.
You want this one? How do we make these?
Put brown sugar in them.
Yeah, brown sugar. What else do you put in here to make oats? What do you put in here to make oats?
White sugar.
White sugar. And what else?
Water.
Water. So it's just oats and hot water. You put it up to the line. You put the lid on and you let it sit until it cooks. And it's cool. And then you eat, eat, eat. So isn't that cool?
Yes.
All right, this one's yours.
Okay, thank you. I will see myself in the laptop.
All right, so let's see. We need a spoon.
A spoon.
Right.
White.
What else? Gonna open your oats. Do I need to get you water?
Not yet. For me, brown sugar.
Oh, it's got brown sugar in it?
I think that's step on me.
Uh-huh.
I want to eat white sugar.
So we're going to have a maple Canyon Oats. Now, let me get you water.
There you go, Mommy.
Oh, Lily's got brown sugar and brown sugar. Who are these for?
Sticks.
Who are they for, Miss Lily?
Sticks, Mommy. That's mine.
All right, guys, hold on a minute.
Why Lily got two? Why Lily got two? Put it right up my neck. But I think it's too hot. Oh. My arm is Wait, make it happen. We make it down my oats. We make it down my oats. One for me, one for you. One for me. Oh, up there. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I got hot water. Okay, let's put our lid on. Off. Let's put the water up to the line.
Up to the line. Up to the line.
Okay, we put the lid on. Let those set. Okay, Lily, which one's yours?
That one. This one is Josie. That one's Josie.
That one's for Josie. All right. Let's find the
What
line.
Yeah.
Put the water up to the line.
Up to the line.
We let it sit. Right.
This one.
I'm going to get more water for Josie. 1 second.
Oatmeal's a doggy. Oatmeal's a doggy. Oatmeal's a doggy. Oatmeal's a doggy.
It's hot, Lily. So if you're like our family, we have a water machine, so we can get hot water right out of our tap, which is awesome. So now these, like they say on the side, they set for about 3 minutes. You open them up, and they're all good to go. You can stir them. So what do we got here, guys?
1, 2, 3.
Good job. And what's inside? Don't shake that, please.
Oatmeal.
Good. Now you want to tell the people at home?
Oatmeal.
What kind of oatmeal is it? Say, it's Canyon oatmeal.
Kiwi oatmeal.
All right. Tell them have a great morning. We're going to go have breakfast.
Have a good morning.